What is up, guys? Welcome back. Another episode of Free Experience. Out here with
Bassmaster_209
Casey. So we're out here in Monterey, and we just stopped right here at what's out to sea tackle out here. So we're gonna try this, and I don't know what we're doing today. I think we're gonna do a lot of rock fishing, but I'm kind of weary about rock fishing right now because I'll actually go into depth about why in a little bit once we go into the tackle store and get what we need. But stay tuned for this. Knock on wood right now, I'm hoping we're gonna have some fun. I'll be happy if we catch some fish. But we've been really skunked and stuff in Monterey. So we're gonna be hitting the shores, hitting the rocks, and see if we can slay some fish. Let's go. This is the bait of choice that I'm gonna throw right now. It is a Bay Classic Series 3rd Street Diana or Danny. This is patent pending though, so it's a slab zone. It looks pretty cool. It looks honestly like a some form of a surf perch. But let's actually take a look at this. It's actually pretty cool. I don't know how well it's gonna run. It has rattles. It has rattles. $6.99. Looks really cool. I'm hoping we can catch some fish here. I don't know how I feel about an open, open hook around this stuff, but I do have an underspin, so I'm looking forward to that. Shout out to Cool Baits. But we're getting rigged up right now. Out here in Carmel. Beautiful white sand.
I want to say big guy.
And we are rigged and ready. How am I gonna get up this? Oh, rocks aren't slick, we're good. Here. Give me your hand. Hurry, Casey. Or not. You don't need my hand apparently. Long live the king! Kicks you off. Tide's coming in. Our waves are coming in. Ooh, I like this. You got one? You got one? No way. Keep pressure on him, Casey. Keep pressure on him. All right, I'm gonna follow you. Are you sure you got one? Oh my God, Casey! Oh my gosh! Casey, get it! I think it's a Cabazon. It is, it's a Cabazon. Dude! Nice cabbie!
He's laying in the rocks.
Dude, oh, you got a female too?
Teeth?
Yes. Beautiful Cabazon, Case.
How do you even hold these?
You gotta like lip them, or not lip them, but gill them, because they got some pretty nasty teeth on them. But dude, beautiful fish. Oh, right, I'm gonna break this off. Oh, I got it. Okay, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. All right, we're gonna get the release of the first fish of the day. A nice sized Cabazon. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. You can still see him. Hey, Casey. Great job, buddy. Give it back. It's definitely not truly from the Delta. All right, I gotta time this just right. I guess I timed it just right. Oh, look how cool that is. That's epic. Let's get up here. Oh gosh. Okay, we're up. All right. This is beautiful, guys. This is epic. I'm literally just gonna throw it in front of me so I get something to come on. Oh, just like that. Oh my God. Freaking cabbie came out and smoked it, guys. No, wait, no. I think it is a cabbie. Straight smoked it. Yes. Straight. We're bass fishermen. We lip everything. Oh, he's biting down. He's biting down. No, 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 no. My first fish of the day. Beautiful Cabazon. And these red ones, I believe, are poisonous. But leave a comment if I'm wrong. I believe the red ones are poisonous. All right, guys, let's get the release. Ow. Ow. That's a sea lion. We just got done actually eating food. We were actually eating Panera, so we decided to go there. Let's actually loosen this drag. Too much. Got a 1/4 ounce egg sinker to a... Hey, Casey! Casey! I got one first cast. I got one first cast. I don't know what this is either. We're going for surf perch, but this is actually a decent size, whatever it is. This is on the fall too. Good surf perch. Oh my God. Look at that one, guys, right there. First one of the day. First cast of the day on the beach and hook up to a slab. Right there, guys, beautiful barred surf perch. A nice size one, if you ask me. That's about the size of the one he was keeping in Santa Cruz.
Here, squeeze, 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 squeeze.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys, so we're here at Lover's Point. We're gonna see if we do some fishing here. We actually were just in a 17-mile drive, and they said we couldn't fish there. We didn't see any signs. We actually saw one sign, but I believe there's certain areas where we could fish, but the map's not helping us out. And we got birds diving. There's birds diving out there, Casey.
Well, sucks we don't have a
Kayak. All right, guys, so stay tuned. Hopefully we catch fish out here. Oh my goodness. That was a little rough. Finally a spot that doesn't have a buttload of kelp. I assume there'd be some fish here or something. There's a little sand bottom right there. Casey, anything? Ooh, Casey! Ling! Oh my God! Look at that drag spill right there. I got a freaking ling. No way. I got a freaking ling. Oh my God. No way. I got a freaking ling. Oh shit. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, I'm probably not be able to flip this. That's a keeper too, but I ain't gonna keep it. Beautiful ling, guys. Beautiful ling. Out, teeth, teeth, teeth. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah. That's a keeper. Case, you want to be a homie? Come here, take a picture. Now we'll let him go.
I think I got it.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. What is your number?
209. Bait. I'm pretty sure what I'm seeing in the sand, there are small fish. You should try to really get in there if you can. I think that is fish inside those in that sand area. I know. I guess just find a Something. Got one.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh. Holy shit, what is that? That is new.
That's new. Oh, it's a big rubber lip. No, what is that?
I don't know.
Oh, is that a sea bass? Is that a sea bass?
No. Big clump.
That is sea bass.
Yeah.
Guess I see that.
Pulling it up's the hard part of this fucking pier thing.
I knew it. I knew what I was seeing. I knew it was a fish. I'm trying to be super gentle with him because I don't want to keep this fish. Come on, go out and around. Oh, screw it, we're just gonna lift him. And we got him. Actually, I don't think that's a sea bass. That is not a sea bass, I don't think. You can touch it, go ahead. Just touch him on the scales where my thumb is. There you go.
Wow. It's a cool fish.
Beautiful eyes, isn't it?
Is it?
Let's see if he has teeth. Ow. Oh, he has a parasite on his tongue too.
Yes.
I thought it was a sea bass, but it's not. Look how pretty the eyes are on this thing. He has the parasite in his tongue though. He has the parasitic tongue.
Here.
No, mix. No.
All right, well, let's get the hook out.
No, mix. There's a parasite on his tongue?
Yeah, you know the thing where it eats the tongue and takes over the tongue? It's one of those.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right. I told you, Casey, what I was seeing down there were fish. All right, guys, so I have no idea what this fish is, so leave a comment on what you guys think this is. It has beautiful blue eyes. Super stellar. Let's go and get the release. Head first.
Celine Dion.
Thanks for tuning into this episode of the Frey Experience. Today was epic. Caught a ling, caught a nice size surf perch, caught that mystery fish, but I'm assuming it was a parrot fish. And then the Cabazon, Casey got a nice size Cabazon. His Cabazon was bigger than mine, and his was on super duper light tackle. So I'm super stoked how today turned out. I'm a little salty that we got kicked out of a spot where we were catching fish, but stuff happens. But thank you guys, as always, for tuning in to another episode of the Frey Experience. Make sure you guys always smash that like button and subscribe for more, and stay tuned for another adventure in the ocean.